My God, they would rather the people not come into the business rather than come to you. But I hear the fires of the living God telling me to tell you, get a bottle of oil, and I want you to act like a man, woman in travail, because what you are is pregnant, but you're not pregnant with a baby, you're pregnant with vision. And I hear God saying, watch me in the month of November, daughter, I'm about to carry you into doors that everybody is sure was shut. I'm about to blow the hinges off of those doors. And I hear God saying, I am assigning life to you. And I hear God saying, quicken yourself in this hour. I begin to cut off some people. I see you texting and texting. Oh my God, shut your cell phone down. There is an assignment for you to decapitate the head of the enemy. And I hear God saying, no weapons, because they are forming them against you. Oh my God, what you've been dealing with is the spirit of witchcraft. But there's a breaker's anointing that's going to cause you to go to the next level. I command you, Satan, to leave the atmosphere of this woman. I plead the blood from the crown of her head to the sole of her feet. Every diabolical sanction, every hex, every curse, every spell, every warring spirit, every virtue, every principality, loose by the power of the blood of the Lamb, loose in this atmosphere tonight, loose in this place. I command you loose, I command you heal, I command you set free, I command you